All right, so I want to give an example. I'm just trying to give you all as many little examples as I can that are in short clip videos. Okay, um, of trailing at your stops because some people seem to have some questions about how do I trail my stops, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm trying to help out on that. So hopefully this will help some. Um, Basically, what happened was we got a trade right here. Okay, so this is a good example. Go over here, and we had our stop way up here. All right, at this 98.155. Then we trailed it with the trend catcher line. Okay, so move down, move down, move down. Trend catcher turned green. So like we're right there. Okay, trend catcher turned green. Chop filter still short. Bar reverses. Okay, back in our direction. That swing bar. So now we're gonna take it. We're going to move it to, tick above the high of that. All right, so we can always go over here and little mouse click go, what is the high of that to be sure? 97,985. So 985,990. Okay, so that's the right spot. Then the trend catcher flips back in my direction. Okay, right here. Then I'll trail it to here. Then I'll trail it to here. And then what happens again? Same thing. Okay. Trend catcher flips in my direction. Okay, chop filter says, hey, ignore that one. That's the whole point. The filter is to try to filter out the chop in the trend catcher. Okay, sometimes it's nothing's going to be perfect, but the goal, the chop filter is not to say there isn't any chop. It's saying, hey, expect this probably to be choppy if it gives you a buy. So anyway, so on that one goes up. Then we get what happens. Stays short. The chop filter stays short. We get a swing bar back in our direction. See that down close? We're going short. Bar closes down. Move it to a tick above the high. Okay, high of that is what? 97.765, so 97,770. We're right. Then the trend catcher bar flips and it closes. Okay, because it has to be done there. Closes. So what do we do next? Now we're gonna move down, of course, to that orange line and then move it over to the trend catcher line itself. Okay, so 97,695, putting it right at where the trend catcher line is currently, to help protect our profits and try to give it room to run. Okay, so pretty simple, but some people may want to stick with the whole like one tick above the trend catcher line. Always using that one tick above, which isn't a bad idea. Just a tick, but sometimes that tick can mean a lot. All right. Anyway, so we're going in there, but wait until that bar closes and starts moving down. If you want to give it a few ticks, after you're locking in some profit. That's perfectly, that's up to you. Sometimes I'll give it a little breathing room once I'm in profit, because that way if it just pops up a little bit against me and goes back, then I don't get knocked out of the trade. But, the basic part is just following the trend catcher, and then, if you want to use a little bit of an offset, like on those trend catcher lines, once you're making money, then you can do that. But to keep it simple, trend catcher line, bar, reversal bar goes back in our direction after TC flips and chop doesn't, trail. Then once this bar closes, we got it right there. Boom, flips, goes trend catcher, goes again, goes again, goes again. Okay? So hopefully hopefully this will rinse and repeat all the way. And we'll just keep enjoying locking in the profits. All right, just a quick video to help you out on giving you an example on that trend catcher trailing stop with the chop filter staying in your direction while the trend catcher goes against you and the reversal bar comes back into play.